Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my essentials for diamond painting. These are almost all materials that are not necessarily directly included in the kit, but I think are very valuable if you plan on diamond painting in the long term. So let's get started. So first off, I have my beautiful light pad. This is just a small A4 sized light pad. I don't personally think you need bigger because I know I won't be working on a section that's bigger than this anyway. This is pretty big and it comes with a cord like that, and it comes with an adapter, but I always plug it into my laptop, but my laptop only has a USB-C adapter, so I need this little plug in between so I can put it on my laptop. Then most kits come with a small tray. However, I find it way easier and way faster to work with a big tray. So I bought this. This is like €5. Pretty cheap. And you can find them basically everywhere. This, in my opinion, is a life changer. This you really need. Then onto pens. I don't use the standard small pink pens or white, clear, blue, whatever color they are. I use a hand-turned pen with a steel tip and a 4 multiplacer at the end. I do have a few other pens, but I don't have them with me at the moment. Onto waxes. For waxes, I currently use a white tack I put in this container of Dreamer Designs. This came with normal pink wax, but I put white tack in it. I use this for single placing, and for multi-placing I just use this pink wax. As you can see, I've made quite a dent in it already. And I have another bag full of waxes, and this isn't even all. And it comes in various shapes and sizes. So you have the standard Diamond Art Club red hearts, but you also have the pots of Dreamers Designs. I bought a sample pack of 9 different types of waxes from C'est Plus Beau Tour. Don't mind my French pronunciation. With very beautiful scents. I've used a few of them already. I have some cheap plates of wax that just come with AliExpress kits. I have clear pink wax. Well, clear pink wax. I have some clear wax. Apparently also stuck to the bottom of it, but yeah, basically pink wax without the color. Another thing that I think that is quite essential is a pair of tweezers. These are just a very sharp, pointy tweezers, and they are an essential for me. I can't live without them, because sometimes, you know, you have diamond painting and you place the drill and you think, oh, that shouldn't go there. And you need a pair of very sharp tweezers to get it out. So this is also very essential to me. Then something I sometimes use, not always, it really depends, is some washi tape. I usually prepare my canvases either 2 ways, either with parchment paper, which you can see over here, or with leaving the clear cover on. If I leave the clear cover on, I use washi tape to section off my paintings, but I also sometimes use it to cover the edges of the diamond painting, especially if it's a double-sided adhesive and it has a lot of extra adhesive outside of the borders of the diamond painting. Then I will use washi tape to seal off the edges and prevent it from getting very dirty. Then I already mentioned it, but parchment paper. This is a very great alternative to replace the plastic covering if you don't have the release papers. I've been trying to buy them from the Diamond Art Club website, but so far they haven't been in stock. yet again. So I just use this. This is a very good alternative. It works just as well, I think. Then, when I kit down, I need baggies. I bought these. These are quite small. I meant to buy the bigger one, but I bought 1,000 of them at a time. So I will have to make do with this, and if I run out, I will buy new ones. Maybe a size bigger, but for now I'm just sticking to using those because, well, I have them anyway, so let's just use them and not waste them. For sectioning off, like I said, I used the pipe papers, but I also need some tools to cut it. This is just a knife, and sometimes I also use scissors, but I prefer my knife. And that is all the tools I use to actually diamond paint. I do also have a container for trash drills. I repurposed a Sprite bottle. I rinsed it out, I let it air dry, and then put in my trash drills. I plan on filling this up, and once it's filled up, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but this is trash from like a year of diamond painting, so as you can imagine, it won't fill up anytime soon. So what I usually do is I will unscrew the lid, use this to place the trash drills in, and at the end of my diamond painting session, I just tip it in, screw it back on, and voila. Okay, lastly is the storage. I use 4 different types of containers. I have currently I've kitted Rainbow Little Dragon Sea up in these 2 because one of it wasn't enough. So these are the 7x4 containers, which are attached to each other and just have a lid that you pop open like this. They're okay. They're not my favorite, but they're okay. The only problem with those are that the lid sometimes opens when you don't want them to. So yeah, then I have this. This is a container from Diamond Art Club. This is a 30 slot container with pretty small bottles, but it works. It's fine. For smaller paintings, it's pretty cool, especially if you use these 2 together. They work perfectly fine. Then next is my Tic Tac boxes. Yeah, Tic Tac boxes. They're fine. They fit about 1,000 drills. So yeah. The only thing again is the lid is sometimes a little bit finicky, but they work. I bought these for my very first diamond painting, and I still use them to this day. And lastly, the storage I use and love the most, which is this big container pots. It contains 60 bottles. It has ample space at the top to put in spare drills or whatever you want to put in there. I have a leftover toolkit in there in case I take this with me so I can diamond paint anywhere I want to. But you don't have to have a separate bag for your leftover drills or drills that don't fit in your containers yet. You can just store them in this container, in this case. You can store them in this case. This is my ideal storage option. So yeah, that is all of my storage, and that brings me to the end of my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got a nice insight in what I use for diamond painting, what you can use for diamond painting. I'm not saying you actually need all of what I bought, because you don't. If you are getting into diamond painting, if you think about buying maybe 2 or 3 things of the things I mentioned, I would say invest in good storage like this. Get a big diamond painting tray, big, like you know, size of my hand. This is a lifesaver and a life changer. And this, a light pad. A light pad is an absolute lifesaver. Especially in those cheaper Amazon or AliExpress kits. A light pad will save your life. It will save you a headache from trying to squint and see what the symbols are. Especially if you're painting late at night, a little bit of extra light is amazing. You really can benefit from it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing down below if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. But for now, that's it and have a nice day. Bye!